Europe test. Question number 1. In Norway, Sweden, and Denmark, the literacy rate is nearly 100%. Which conclusion can be drawn about education in those countries? A. The government makes literacy mandatory. B. Business people often start second careers as teachers. C. The educational system strives to create informed citizens. D. Students must participate in extracurricular activities. Question number 2. Extreme nationalism, individuals existing for the good of the state and unquestioning loyalty to the leader, are the defining characteristics of which one of the following? A. Democracy. B. Theocracy. C. Fascism. Or D. Liberalism. Question number 3. Rivers have played important roles in Europe's development. In the box, you will find the following bullets. Your title is Benefits of Europe's Rivers. Bullet number 1. Provided water for farming and electric power. Bullet number 2. Determined the locations of cities. Bullet number 3. Formed some political borders. In bullet number 4, you will see a question mark. Which of the following should be added to the list of benefits? In other words, choose the answer that you think belongs where the question mark is. A. Provided drainage for industrial pollution. B. Connected oceans and lakes. C. Provided transportation routes for goods and people. D. Carved valleys wherever they flowed. Question number 4. Which agreement was labeled by the Nazis as unfair to Germany? A. Munich Pact. B. Soviet Aggression Act. C. League of Nations. D. Treaty of Versailles. Question number 5. What was the effect of the Irish potato famine? A. Soup was banned. B. The blight. C. Weed killer was abolished. Or D. Population of America grew. Question number 6. Which of the following geographic factors makes Western Europe an important region of economic activity? Is it A. The Northern European plain has rich fertile soil? B. The dense forests are home to a variety of wildlife? C. The North Sea is covered with ice for half of the year? Or D. The mountain ranges create a Mediterranean climate? Question number 7. The potato famine of the mid-1800s occurred in which European country? Is it A. France? B. Norway? C. Ireland? D. Spain? Question number 8. This natural boundary is located between Europe and Asia, located in Russia. Is it A, European plain, B, post-industrial, C, Ural Mountains, D, Alps? Question number 9. Due to a disease in the potato crop, many families lost their farms and their main food source. This caused many to immigrate to the United States. Which of the following is the best explanation for their migration? A, religious persecution, B, discrimination, C, war and conflict, D, economics. Question number 10. What period in Europe began in Italy in the 1300s and lasted into the 1600s, during which art and learning flourished? A, feudalism, B, welfare capitalism, C, Renaissance, D, Middle Ages. Question number 11. These physical features form a natural border between France and Spain. Is it A, Ural Mountains, B, recession, C, homogeneous, or D, Pyrenees Mountains? Question number 12. Which action is most closely associated with totalitarian governments? A, allowing public discussion of issues and building consensus. B, accepting criticism and permitting dissent. C, engaging in censorship and propaganda campaigns. D, having open and transparent elections with multiple political parties. Question number 13. This is a small body of water 350 miles long that is important for trade and travel. A, the Danube River, B, English Channel, C, Mediterranean Sea, D, Rhine River. Question 14. A major reason that the Renaissance began in Italy was that A, Italian city-states have grown wealthy from trade between Europe and Asia, B, farmers produce great agricultural surpluses on vast plains, C, merchants supported the Green Revolution, D, many European scholars had migrated to this area. Question number 15. The Alps. Is it A, second largest peninsula in Europe, B, a mountain range that extends for almost 700 miles and is a tourist destination in Europe, C, the longest river in Germany that is an important waterway for trade, D, it is the second largest river in Europe that plays a vital role in development of Central Europe because it's important for trade. Question 16. Danube River. A, second largest peninsula in Europe, B, a mountain range that extends for almost 700 miles and is a tourist destination in Europe, C, the longest river in Germany that is an important waterway for trade, or D, it is the second largest river in Europe that plays a vital role in development of Central Europe because it's important for trade. Question 17. Iberian Peninsula. A. Second largest peninsula in Europe. B. A mountain range that extends for almost 700 miles and is a tourist destination in Europe. C. The longest river in Germany that is an important waterway for trade. D. It is the second largest river in Europe that plays a vital role in development of Central Europe because of its importance for trade. Question number 18, Rhine River. A. Second largest peninsula in Europe. B. A mountain range that extends for almost 700 miles and is a tourist destination in Europe. C. The longest river in Germany that is an important waterway for trade. D. It is the second largest river in Europe that plays a vital role in development of Central Europe because it is important for trade. Question number 19. What does the term Renaissance mean? Is it A. Death, B. Rebirth, C. Life, D. Secular? Question number 20. Which of the following inventions were invented during the Renaissance? A. Telegraph, B. Computer, C. Printing press, D. Cotton gin. Question 21. What was Leonardo da Vinci's most famous painting called? Is it A. Victoria Sumner, B. Helen Keller, C. Romeo and Juliet, D. Mona Lisa? Please go back and review all of your answers before submitting it. Double check your bubbles and make sure that you have bubbled them all in. And make sure that if you change your answer that you erase the original answer clearly so your next answer is showing when we run the Scantron. Take your time and good luck. Remember, this is a major grade. It's 50% of your grade. Good luck.